It's the least I can do for the Reading Mount Rose American Teen Princess.
Oh, God. What?
Oh, just a little snarl.
What? Oh, my God. Lights, camera, and me's got a stitch of makeup on. What are you guys doing here?
What are you doing here?
Oh, Amber, like you're the only one who visits Mary?
Who are you?
Who are you? Oh, Mary, you kill me. She always says that. The little game we play every week, same dippy little look on her face. Who are you? Who are you? Just like that. It's me, Becky.
And brought your favorite. How nice, Becky. She's anorexic.
She's skinny, Amber.
Not like that.